Why do you almost never see stair-side trim installed like this in the US? This carpenter is making custom stair skirt boards. Instead of doing math or measuring every angle, he uses a simple scribe and trace method that can be done in one pass. First, he takes a finished wood board and places it directly on top of the stair treads, pushing it tight against the wall. The height and depth of the board match how the skirt board needs to step down and back. Then, using the edges of each tread and riser, he traces the exact profile of the stairs, step by step. Next comes the cutting. He grabs a jigsaw and carefully cuts along the traced lines. There's almost no room for error here. Even an eighth of an inch off would leave visible gaps after installation. If you watch closely, the cuts are smooth and controlled, and the edges come out clean. Once cut, he slides the skirt board straight into place. The fit is nearly perfect. The treads and risers sit tight against the board, with almost no gaps at all. After that, he finishes the top and bottom. Any extra material is rescribed along the wall and trimmed off. Finally, he adds a flat horizontal cap to clean up the edge and tie everything together. The result looks sharp, simple, and high-end. Clean lines, clear structure, no filler, no cover-ups. Honestly, why isn't this more common in American homes?